And when you're a meteorologist and you have snowstorms to deal with like this, you just make your prediction, and then the next day you boldly put on your suit of armor and you go out into public. And when people say, hey, I thought it was supposed to snow 8 inches, I say, and what will the score of the Super Bowl be next year? And then I calmly walk away. All right, let's take a look outside. We continue to have light snow in the area right now, and its visibility is down to about a half mile, so might have a few airport issues with this. 20 degrees currently, plenty of breeze, 5 for your wind chill. And as you heard, 1 inch of snow on the ground right now. Might pick up just a little bit more, but for the most part, we're just about done with this. And then the snow is going to help us cool things off overnight. Arctic air pushing in along with some fresh snow on the ground, and the temperature is going to be dropping down below where you can see them. Anywhere around to 5 degrees by tomorrow morning, so it's going to be a tough morning tomorrow. Here's a look live Super Doppler radar. Back edge of the snow now, Ames, Perry, the Panora area. As you work your way to the south and east around Knoxville, they are picking up some light snow right now, and the accumulations down there will be in the 1 to 2 inch range. Now, you heard the talk of the dry air in place, and you can see right around the metro area how amounts are only in the 1 to 3 inch range. That's because we had that dry air right over the metro. Took a while to saturate the ground, the air near the ground before the snow started. But look north of there where they did saturate, a band of 4 to 6 inches from Carroll through Rockwell City, Fort Dodge, Clarion, Eldora, Marshalltown, Tama. And that's where all the action was today. We mentioned this morning the snow band had shifted about 40 miles north-northeast overnight, and the radar estimates of the snow clearly show that. Here's the way Fort Dodge looked this afternoon. Plenty of snow throughout the day. Accumulations up there in the 5 to 6 inch range out west. Down south just a bit, Iowa State University, about 3.5 inches of snow up on the campus. So temperatures are cooling off. We had 40s last hour Lamoni. They're now down into the 20s. The teens crashing in from the north, and there is plenty of cold air. If you look real close on the satellite image right up in here, you'll see a little dark spot sinking in. That is the boundary of the Arctic air, and that means big changes overnight. In fact, single digits to near zero in the Dakotas now, and that's all heading our way over the next 24 hours. So as this little storm system departs, the Arctic air is going to crash on in here through the day tomorrow, be with us through the middle of the week before we start to see a little bit of recovery. Temperatures tonight near zero or just below to the north to just above zero to the south, and highs tomorrow, well, it'll be a tough day, single digits to about 10 degrees. Your forecast for the metro tonight, 3 degrees above zero here in town. The snow moves off into eastern Iowa. Will be dry through the day tomorrow, but very cold and windy. Highs around 9. The wind chills at 10 to 20 below even through the afternoon. Then your extended forecast. Check out that low temperature early Friday, 10 below. -5 early Saturday. Some snow late Saturday into Sunday. Additional chances for snow late Monday into Tuesday. We'll briefly flirt with the 30s, but it looks like we'll head into March with more very cold air.